What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today we are making low carb lemonade. You only need a couple of ingredients to make this recipe, and it's so delicious and refreshing. So let's get started. First, you want to take fresh lemons and squeeze those using a lemon juicer or a lemon squeezer. You want to squeeze enough lemon so that you have 2 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice. This usually takes about 8 to 10 lemons for me. And then you want to take a saucepan and fill that with 2 cups of water and add 2 cups of sweetener. I like to use monkfruit sweetener to that saucepan and stir it. At first, the mixture will look a little cloudy, but if you continue to stir it, it will become clear, and that's when you know it's ready to go. And then take a strainer and strain your lemon juice over your pitcher. Add in your simple syrup that you created with that water and sweetener. And then add additional water to taste. This is going to depend on your preference. It's going to determine how much water you need to use. I added 5 additional cups of water. And there you have it. Fresh squeezed lemonade that is low carb.